What's up guys? So previously I reviewed this Secure Pro lock by Lockly. It was meant to be used commercially. It had a 3D fingerprint sensor, a touchpad, a Wi-Fi hub, a key lock functionality. All those features were part of this one. Today I'm going to be reviewing a simpler version of the Lockly lock. It's called Lockly Flex Touch, and it can either be unlocked with a fingerprint or with a key or through your app when you're in a Bluetooth connection. Forbes actually called it the best fingerprint lock. So let's check it out if it lives up to its claim. Let's start with the unboxing. It comes in a well-packed box. On top you get a thank you card. Underneath you get some documentation. Under that you get your activation code that you will need to pair your lock with your smart app, like Lockly smart app. After this you will see three things: hardware for the locking mechanism, some screws, keys for the lock, outer side of the lock, then finally you will see the inner side of the lock. Alright, now that we have it out of the box and I have got it installed on this small wood board for easier review. So let's start with the outer design. The outer design is a full metal body. You can see everything here, including the key, and it looks minimalistic. You have the fingerprint here, the key mechanism here, and a very small footprint overall. You also have two current ports here in case it gets battery low, so you can use these ports to quickly give it a power and open it up. And on the inside, this is the locking mechanism itself, which is again full metal. Coming towards the inside, you can see that we have this part. Some of the parts are plastic, some I'm not sure. This one actually I'm not sure. It maybe plastic, probably plastic, but it feels different. But it is a little bulky, the inside of it, because it contains the knob and all the other tech like the Bluetooth tech. And if you remove this one, if I can, I think I have screwed it up. So inside it you will see AAA batteries. I think 4 AAA batteries, the speaker and everything is here. So this one is a little bulky in terms of design wise. In terms of how you can unlock it, you can unlock it with a key by just rotating the key. For the people who prefer to use keys, nothing bad with that. You can also unlock it with a fingerprint. If it is not true, it will give you the red error like this one. So you have three ways to unlock it. One is with the key, the other is with a fingerprint, the third one is with the knob from the inside. So you have in total 3 ways to unlock or lock it. And you can also lock or unlock it with the smart app if you have connected it through the Bluetooth, or if you would like it to connect to the Wi-Fi hub or through your Wi-Fi, then you need to buy a separate Wi-Fi adapter with it. Now let's talk about its smart features. It can be controlled through the Lockly app. There is no subscription needed. So just install the app, pair the lock with the Lockly app, and you should be good to go. You can lock or unlock the app through the Bluetooth functionality, or if you bought a separate Wi-Fi hub, then you can control it from anywhere in the world. You can see the history of locks, unlocks in your app. You can share this lock with your family members. You can grant it time-based or one-time access to your friends as well. You can use e-badges for the sharing. If you leave it unlocked after a certain time, the lock will automatically lock itself. So in case you forget about locking it, it will lock itself. In terms of fingerprints, you can register up to 99 fingerprints with it, so that should be more than enough for you to handle or share it with most of your family members, because I don't think you will have 99 family members. Other smart features include welcome mode. For example, when you're having a party or you're doing something, you would like it to remain unlocked, so you can set it in welcome mode and it will remain in welcome mode for the duration that you set in the app. If you are already using Lockly apps and you have them paired with your app, like you can bring the fingerprints from those locks to this without registering new ones, which is a nice and convenience features in case you are already into the Lockly ecosystem. You also receive firmware updates so that it is always secure and up to date, and you are not left out in case a security flaw has been found. since locally app can manage multiple locks at once. So if in case you have multiple locks inside your home, by locally you can manage them using a single app. If you have installed the Wi-Fi app, then you can actually control it through the internet from anywhere in the world, and you can get real-time push notifications and alert in your app. Again, that is if you have installed the Wi-Fi hub. Nice piece of tech and a beautiful lock, and I can easily recommend it to anyone. So if you are out to buy a good smart lock, then definitely give Locally Flex a try, and I think you will like it. So let me know what you think. Take care. Bye.